transforming your forearms into pillars of strength as a challenge that holds the promise of impressive aesthetics and improved athletic performance. Imagine the sensation of impressive grip, strength coursing through your fingers as you confidently shake hands, leaving a lasting impression. The journey to powerful forearms begins with a commitment to a solid workout routine, a routine that not only builds size, but also enhances overall performance. The importance of strong forearms extends beyond just aesthetics. They play a vital role in ensuring stability during heavy lifts, providing the necessary grip strength for exercises like deadlifts and pull-ups. With strong forearms, you reduce the risk of injuries and bolster your abilities in various sports. These muscles govern the intricate movements of the wrist and fingers, meaning the payoff for your effort in developing them is substantial and multifaceted. To set off on this journey, begin with wrist curls, a foundational exercise that launches your forearm development. Grab a barbell and let your forearms rest on a bench, curling the weight upwards in 3 sets of 15 reps. As the burn intensifies, feel your muscles responding eagerly to the challenge. Next, flip the routine on its head with reverse wrist curls. This exercise caters to the often neglected muscles on the opposite side of your forearms, promoting balanced growth. Control and focus remain essential to maximizing results. Introducing the farmer's walk, another key component of your routine. Pick up your heaviest dumbbells and walk with intent. Each step you take builds not just grip strength, but also endurance, as your muscles engage with relentless determination. To wrap up, test your grip strength with plate pinches. Holding 2 weight plates together with just your fingertips, you'll feel the intensity sharpen your skills and fulfill your workout. The body longs to adapt, and each challenge you present it with will coax out greater strength. In your quest for impressively strong forearms, consistency reigns supreme. When integrating these exercises into your routine 2-3 times a week, monitor your body's responses, adjusting as necessary to prevent injuries. Your journey may begin with the simplest of exercises, but every drop of sweat brings you closer to your goal. Strengthen your grip, amplify your performance, and watch your forearms morph into a hallmark of power and resilience.